All right, are you ready for the skill of the century? So you got an email and you're steamed up about it and you want to respond really quickly because you're feeling very angry. And so you put your recipient's name in there and you tell them how you feel in that subject line. And then you have that email and you're ready to fire it off. And you go ahead and you hit send and you say, maybe that wasn't the best idea. I need to undo that email. Well, oh no, the option just left down here on the bottom right-hand corner and my message was sent. Fear not. You can come up here to settings and you can change undo send cancellation period from 5 up to 30 seconds. If your brain works like mine, 30 seconds still might not be long enough. And really, I don't fire off upset emails, but just in case. So we can hit save changes and we'll go back and we'll try that again. So in all seriousness, if you are sending an email and you're supposed to put an attachment and you know you forgot to attach something and don't want to look like a clown, then this is what you can do. And then say I'm going to put the link here and I actually forgot to link it. So I hit send and down here you see it says undo. It's going to sit there for 30 seconds. You can undo the send. Boom, your email is back. You can finish. So you look like a professional. Thanks, team.